Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Basic greetings. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good night, good night. Hello, hello, hi, hi. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What about you? What about you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Casual greetings. What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Long time no see. Long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcoming someone. Welcome. Welcome. Come in, please. Come in, please. Have a seat. Have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Polite expressions. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. May I help you? May I help you? Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Introducing someone. This is my friend. This is my friend. Meet my brother. Meet my brother. He is my teacher. He is my teacher. She is my colleague. She is my colleague. We work together. We work together. Goodbyes. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Other useful expressions. Just a minute, please. Just a minute, please. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Let's go. Let's go. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That's great. That's great. Sounds good. Sounds good. Not bad. Not bad. Don't worry. Don't worry. Be careful. Be careful.